got to drive more by more when I'm balling out. Goals in my name, no red, you call out. Come and jump in the sand, though. Don't try to see if you really got them love handles. Or we can keep it broken all night like a band do. Come and holler at me, we could go get candles.
I'm not going to be on camera for this, but we found a dresser for Juliana. We're getting ready to paint it. We have this Candy Raz spray paint. I want to get it to match her bed. We got the bed on Amazon. She's got this big dog pillow in here. So yeah, and then I also got Randall's removing the old ugly hardware from it. I'll show you guys a before picture. And I ordered a box full right here of new hardware. So we have these that we're gonna put on it. I'll try to lay it flat. Yeah, those. Camera's trying to focus. Is it gonna focus? Focus. There we go. New knobs to replace on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this because I can't see a screw to get that out. But that's what we're working on today. You can see from upstairs, we have finally gotten a TV off the floor and got a big rug. So yeah, it's kind of like a DIY day here. So yeah, it's coming along in here, and there's bar stools down there now too. We got the TV stand from Home Goods. So it's all ready for me to spray paint. And yeah, I've got a box full of these that we're gonna replace the hardware. Pretty. Whole box. Guys, no, I don't know what we're gonna do with that because I don't know how to get it out.
They don't come on.
All right.
I think they blew it.
Come back later, guys. Hey y'all, so I am, you can tell by the messy. I am in Juliana's loft and I am here. We went to Home Depot. We got some paint. You can see the little dot on there. The swatch is downstairs in my closet. I am going to fix her dresser. I started with spray paint. It was a horrible mistake because the spray paint got everywhere. The color is too dark in contrast with her bed, so that's not gonna work. I think I just really like the color, but it isn't gonna work. I would like for her furniture to match somewhat. We found this piece in the neighborhood. It was in great shape. I still have the knobs, so I'll be combining my old footage with this footage to yeah, go over what I kind of like started. But yeah, I'm gonna be painting it today. I'll show you guys my progress as I go along to try to correct what I started, so she'll have her dresser and we can get her room a little more organized. So I'm gonna have her clean out the drawers. The color that I got is called Kiss and Tell. I just got some basic bear paint. I can't use spray paint in here. There's nowhere for me to take it outside. I think this is gonna work better. And I just smeared the paint. But I think this is gonna work better for the color of her bed. It's almost a really perfect, very close match. I just got it in flat. This cost us about 25 bucks. It's just matte. I didn't want to get gloss or anything for her. I don't really like how gloss finishes on furniture sometimes. So yeah, but this is a very beautiful piece, and I got nice knobs, crystal knobs to put on it that look like diamonds. So yes, this is going to be a really nice project when it's all done. So I'm gonna get her to clean out the drawers so that I'm gonna get her to clean out her drawers so that I can get started. I got my old clothes on and an old tank, an old tank on, and some old jeans to paint it. All right, I'll come back to you guys later. Okay, so the first coat is on. It's a lot. I can see some of the imperfections. There's a middle bar right there. I'm gonna have to wait because I don't want to paint. I don't want to paint the drawer shut. I know that's kind of like a common mistake that happens where people paint doors shut. I'm thinking I'm gonna need one more coat because the purple is just so, that raspberry color was so deep. You can still see it in, but excuse her mess, but it's a much better match. I'm gonna put them side by side. It's close enough. The material is different with the wood and the leather, of course, but it's a much better match to her bed. The lighting is not the greatest today. I'll turn her light on. But yeah, that purple color was really deep, and spray painting is so messy. I don't think I'll ever want to spray paint furniture again, at least not indoors. I got drop cloth down. It's just we can't do projects like this outside around here, so that's why I'm indoors. Anybody that has a HOA, you already know, especially in condo plexes or townhouse plexes. But yeah, this is the first coat on. Her room is pretty messy. She's a typical 12-year-old. She took her clothes out so I could paint. But yeah, it's a much better match to her bed than that raspberry color I had before. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I'm just waiting for it to dry. I will probably put another coat on. I don't know if I'll be doing that today or tomorrow because it's kind of late in the evening, but that's how the first coat is looking. Also, there was no, I mean, I did lose my sense of smell and I've regained it back gradually. But
it smells like plastic.
It does, the paint, but it doesn't really stink.
No.
Yeah, the paint, even Juliana confirmed it. She's over there drawing. I still have to get her a desk, but I'm glad I got more than enough paint because when I get her desk, I'm gonna paint her desk to match. But yes, I love this color. It really pops. It's called Kiss and Tell by Bear, and we got it at Home Depot. And yeah, that's just the first coat. I'm going to come back. I want to make sure I'm catching my drips because I'm seeing drips here and there. But I'm going to come back and do a second coat. I think it's going to need a second coat because I can see streaks from the raspberry, but I love it. It's going to be really pretty when it's done with her knobs. Unfortunately, I can see some imperfections like there from when I first did spray paint. I don't know if I'm going to do a sandpaper job on that or not, or just try to smooth it over with the flat paint. I think I probably could smooth it over with the flat paint, but I don't know. It's probably neater to do sandpaper, but that's what we're looking like. Very pretty. I want to stop rambling. Anyways, I'll come back at you guys later when I get ready to do the second coat. So I'm back in Juliana's loft. This is it after being dried. It looks really good. You can see she has a window down this way of the loft, so you can see in the light a little better. I've started down at the bottom, and I'm just doing my second coat here. Probably gonna leave some of the imperfections as is, but yeah, I'm getting ready to start the second coat here. It looks really good. I've got drawers open so that I don't paint the drawers closed. but it turned out really good, and it's a better match for her bed. So I'm gonna get ready and start my second coat here and get this all finished up for her so that we can have clothes in here and put her knobs on. We'll probably put the knobs on tomorrow once everything's all dried up.